Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to set up my Bitcoin wallet on Cash App Easy Guide. Open Cash App and go to the Banking tab, then tap Bitcoin to begin. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity with a photo ID and the last four of your SSN. Enable buying and add funds so you can purchase Bitcoin right away. Begin identity verification by preparing a clear photo ID and your SSN digits so the process is smooth and quick. Use good lighting and avoid glare when photographing your ID to prevent delays. Make sure the name on your ID matches your Cash App account exactly to avoid manual review. Once verified, you will receive confirmation and can proceed to buy, send, and receive Bitcoin on the app. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more clear, friendly tutorials. Quick recommendation. A book I enjoy can change how you think about money and saving for goals, and it pairs oddly well with taking control of your Bitcoin. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can learn more, and now let's get back to the video. Choose the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, review the fee, and confirm the purchase in Cash App with your PIN or Face ID. After buying, review the wallet address carefully when sending or receiving Bitcoin to avoid mistakes. For long-term holdings, consider moving coins to a private wallet where you control the keys. Keep recovery details safe and never share your private keys or seed phrase with anyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.